Today's April 8th, 2019, and this is episode 97 of PlaneSavers. Good morning, everybody. It is freezing rain here in Montreal. It is a minus 1 degree Celsius, which is 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and here's the PlaneSavers mobile. I can't thank the local Mitsubishi dealer for giving us this van, and Nick got the decals for it, which is very, very cool. Later on, I will do a better video on the dealership and everything, because this is like a really cool thing. Oh, nice. Look at this. Windshield completely freezing rain. Not very good for flying. Yeah, so folks, today it's meetings. We got a lot of stuff to do, a lot of logistics. What I'm going to do is probably try to make some diagrams and show you guys what I'm going to show you guys right now. Actually, I'll make the diagrams, but I'll do the voiceover right now. Is where the airplane is parked. There's the school, there's a steel company, and we have to basically go around the school or walk through the school, and then there's a gully, and then we have to walk around the gully and get to the airplane where Ronnie's going to be camping. So there's some logistical issues to figure out there, and we're going to work together with Benoit this afternoon. But right now, Stella is not feeling the best. So we're going to go to Walmart. Oh, there she is. Oh, it's not on there too bad. So I better get outside and help her here right now. But yeah, so we're just going to head to Walmart right now and get some supplies. So you guys probably ask yourself, why is Stella driving? And the answer is she's Autobahn trained. And, you know, so the answer is, yeah, Stella's German, for the few people that didn't know that. And so Stella's trained on the Autobahn. You know, it takes like a year to get your driver's license over there, and you got to do actual testing. Jeez, that GPS is pushy. But anyway, so yeah, we're on our way to get some supplies. The one thing I need to get is I need to get some gloves and some breathing stuff to start cleaning the birds' nests on the airplane. It is not a very good day today in Montreal. Okay guys, I got a special treat today. I was like kind of worried because we weren't at the DC-3. The weather was really crappy, but the DC-3 gods have spoken. Rich at Aviation for Life has sent us once in a lifetime, very cool segment of one of the most famous DC-3s in the world, and something I've been wishing to have on our channel for so very long. That's All Brother, the DC-3 that actually led the waves of Dakotas in Normandy on D-Day. So this is the aircraft. Thank you, Rich, for saving my bacon and turning a gloomy weather out episode into something very special. I wish I was at Sun and Fun, but check this out. This is so cool.
How's everybody doing? My name is Peter from Aviation for Life. I'm here with Rich Robertson, and we are going to give you guys a little tour of the C-47/DC-3 scene at Sun and Fun 2019. There's a number of C-47s.
So there's no less than 4 or 5 C-47s here, 4 in flying configuration, 1 is a static display. And we're going to kick off our tour of DC-3 C-47s with That's All Brother, the C-47 that's going to lead the D-Day flight over Normandy here for the D-Day celebration. And so we're going to kick over there, talk with the guys from Command Air Force, and we'll catch up with you right after that. Hey guys, PlaneSavers Nation, it's Rich with Aviation for Life, and I'm here with Tom Travis, who's the pilot in command of That's All Brother, the C-47 that's going to be leading the D-Day formation, right?
That's what we understand. It led the D-Day invasion in June 6, 1944. And we're taking it back over to do it again.
That'll be the right one.
All right.
Here we go.
Side's clear.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Switch on.
Hey, we got the boss there. I got the transponder in standby. Okay.
Red Stars, if
After
you
start?
could, sir, just line up and wait on runway 9 right. I need to get the
Push
Huey
bumps.
across.
Pumps are off.
Yeah, avionics master.
On.
Warning lights.
Warning lights check.
RP.
Hold and lock.
Vacuum.
Check.
Disregard Red Star, just continue roll. Huey, just
Hydraulic
hold your
system
position. I'll
pressure.
have you right across behind.
Pressure's good. Let me.
Okay.
Huey.
Which should be next. Could be anything else.
That's
Okay.
about a
Hey,
T-34. That's
clear over here.
my fault. Sorry about that, sir. Okay, Huey's crossing.
All right, clear here.
T6 is Hughes crossing midfield, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff.
A lot of room here.
And T28, did y'all call?
We expect 18 to 20 DC-3,
Good over
C-47
here.
types across the pond, and some will meet us over there. As Rich mentioned, your airplane was involved in D-Day as well as Market Garden. This one was in D-Day, Market Garden, Operation Varsity, and Relief from Bastogne. And after the war, coincidentally, this one was sold to a Canadian commercial operator. I don't know what the registration number was or what happened, but it was a freighter. And many years it just hauled everything from spare tires to chickens. And
So when did you guys start the restoration and bring it back to its military?
I believe it was 4 years ago.
Okay.
And it was in pretty bad shape. We're fortunate enough to have a lot of wonderful people at Basel and Oshkosh and some generous donors. With enough money and 2 rudder pedals, you can build an airplane.
Yeah, and that's very similar to what the PlaneSavers Nation is doing. They have a bunch of spare parts up at Buffalo Airways. They're putting the plane back together, you know, bring it back to its former glory.
All right, bombers, runway 9 right, line up and wait.
Right, line up and wait, bombers. I hear line up and wait.
That's what I heard.
Clear over here.
Bombers, runway 9 right, clear for takeoff, fly straight out. I'll call you crosswind. We're going to go wide with you, keep you outside the T-28.
Straight out, bombers, clear for takeoff. Power set 45.
Thank you.
Airspeed's alive. There's 70.
Okay, T-28 lead traffic is bombers. They were
80.
getting hot. I need to get them going, so they're rolling now. I'm going to take them outside of you.
You're
I'll
up.
keep you advised. If I have to, I'll circle them out there to the south. 28. Thank you. One more pass. This is your last pass. Why don't you set up the land on runway 9 right. T-28 understand. Last pass and land. Thank you.
The airplane has been, as you can see, totally restored. L3 down in Waco, Texas gave us a paint job, and the stripes were put on the night of June 5th, and they were put on with mops, brooms, whatever guys could get to do it. When L3 painted the airplane for us, they're used to doing really beautiful work, and it pained them to do the rough edges. They also went so far as when we get inside, take a look inside the cargo door, they put paint strips, which I thought was a neat touch.
All right, looks good.
Okay, what's the altitude looking like?
You're coming through 300.
All
200's a hard deck. About 250.
Runway 9 right, clear to land. Bombers in to fly on the south.
No, about 280.
Clear to land, 9 right, Red Star. T-28, go down 523. Okay, T-28, we'll take 523. And B-25, the red stars off your nose are going to make the overhead landing 9 right. T-25.
We're going to have red stars off your side. Got them. They're on the initial for 9 right.
We tried to make the airplane as authentic as possible to show what it was on that day. For example, the jump line is new old stock. The gun ports here, most gun ports that you'll see in C-47s in museums are toilet rings, but these are new old stock gun port rings. I don't know where they found them, but they did. If you look forward, there's a couple just beyond the bulkhead, just a 6-gallon tank of drinking water that cup holder was polished silver, polished aluminum. I asked why it wasn't painted OD green. They said on that day that particular cup holder was polished aluminum. Seat pans are obviously very hard to find these days, but they did find them, and the ones we have are kind of beat up just like they would be, just exactly like they were back then.
So I'm sitting in the seat pan of the C47, that's Old Brother, and they tried to keep this as original as possible. These are actually out of another aircraft, and as you can see, I mean, they're pretty much just as was. They're not the most comfortable thing in the world, but hey, they got the job done.
There you go, full flap, skiers down with a green light.
B25, right turn 523, thank you, sir.
523, B25, thank you, ma'am.
Sabrina.
And would you get the flaps up when we hit?
Yep.
First impact?
Yep.
Legacy flight check 1.
Flaps up.
We're moving.
Flaps, Bob.
Flaps are up.
Alrighty.
Air conditioner going here.
Oh, thank you.
The radio operator was here, the crew chief here, and of course the co-pilot and pilot. On that day it was a 5-man crew. 6 if you count the little Scotty dog they took with them. They carried a mascot with them on that day. And we don't have it with us. We normally carry the dog with us. But I want you to take a look at the cockpit.
Absolutely.
Look at that center panel.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow.
Look at that. Modern stuff.
So you were telling us they hide all the radios behind that panel to keep it original.
They do. This is what it looked like originally. And we want to keep it as authentic as possible.
Oh, great.
But it's a wonderful flying airplane, straight as can be, no problems with it. It's the smoothest starting and running radial engine I've ever flown.
Well, Tom, thank you very much for showing us around the plane.
Thanks for coming.
Fantastic tour. I can't wait to see you guys fly this tomorrow. Hopefully maybe we can get a ride.
I hope so.
See what this is all about, and yeah, really thank you again.
Good.
It was great. If you guys like what you saw in this segment, be sure to follow us on YouTube at Aviation for Life, www.youtube.com/aviationforlife, and appreciate you guys' viewership. Thank you.
Thank you, Rich. That segment was so cool. You got a couple more plans. I can't wait to see them. But let's jump in the vehicle. We got to go meet Benoit, and we'll head to the school. Okay, you guys, we're here at the school. We got some meetings to go to. Benoit's going to meet us in there. I can't really film anything in the school yet. They're going to allow me to do a full tour because you guys have to see this place. They got enough stuff in here to rebuild the Aero 10 times over. It's insane. CNC machines, everything. These are the luckiest students I've ever seen with a school like this. Very, very cool. But that being said, Benoit might have found a solution for us, because right now to get to the airplane, as you like say here, we're in the corner of the parking lot, so we'll be, school's going on, so we'd be parking in this parking lot, and then the school, we'd have to walk through the school and then go through the whole school and then walk out on a taxiway and then go out to that road with the gully and everything like that, which is insane. So we're gonna try to figure out a way around that, because see, Ronnie's gonna be living at the airplane, and that would be insane for him to be able to have to do that walk every day, especially if he just wanted to go get a Big Mac or something. But yeah, so yeah, let's go in and check it out. Okay, so we're here outside the school, and like you're saying, like I was showing before, we had some logistic issues as there was parking in the school, and then we would have to walk all the way around. And you can see there's the road, and then there's the gully, and then the DC-3 is way over here. But right now we will have access to this gate, and what this gate does is give us access through this other gate. So this gate to this gate to the road and all the way around, which solves a lot of our issues, so that's good. So Ronnie, I talked to Ronnie last night. He's in Brandon, Manitoba. he's gonna be here tomorrow, so we got to figure out how to meet Ronnie. We might, if he arrives late, we're gonna figure out how to put him somewhere. So yeah, let's head inside, and I can explain more later, but yeah, one problem solved. Okay folks, we're back outside. I'm pretty stoked that Benoit got us access to that gate. Very cool. I just got off the phone with Ronnie through text messaging. He was in Brandon, Manitoba last night, and he's going to be in Thunder Bay, Ontario tonight, which puts him here tomorrow. Yeah, we're going to have some logistics issues figuring out where to put him. And you see the weather is not doing that good. Freezing rain all day today. See if she'll wave. Oh, she actually waved, folks. And yeah, so good day. We solved a lot of our issues. Shopping went good. We found some stuff. Okay, so it looks like I was talking to Ronnie, and then the plan right now is to pull the wings off first thing. So Benoit's working on finding a forklift. We're gonna get probably Ronnie set up sometime tomorrow night or early Wednesday morning, and then we're gonna go gun-ho to get those wing tips off, or the wings off. Ronnie's brought...
Head northwest on route Elena, placed in a Savannah towards Chemin de la Savannah.
What, this sounds like gibberish. Yeah, so Ronnie's gonna...
200 meters, turn left onto Chemin de la Savannah.
Jeez, that thing's bossy. Okay. Oh, we're coming up to an intersection, folks.
Left onto Chemin de la Savannah.
Literally, there's like 2 roads here. Okay, so Ronnie says he's gonna get those wings off very quickly, and that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, well, I'm gonna let the GPS and Stella get us home. Yeah, so
Continue on Chemin de la Savannah for 2 kilometers.
I'm going to end the episode here. Thank you guys for joining us today. Yeah, there's some logistics to going on, but in the big picture, folks, we are here. We are in Montreal. We are dedicated, and we are here to get that aircraft flying on June 6th. And this is what it takes, a lot of weird stuff. So again, thanks for joining us, and you have a good day, and hopefully be safe, and wherever you are, pray that there is no freezing rain. What do you think? Stella, you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye.